We have some incredible updates for you to go and talk about now. We got Solana airdrops, we got linear updates, we got way many more things to go and talk. So with that said, we jump straight into the laptop. The first thing is the Mera that released their point checker for the season 1. So this is probably the most talked about airdrop over on Solana and probably the most hyped up. Now, there are a lot of points in circulation. So let me know your location down below. Simply go to the website. I will leave it down below. Connect your wallet as we see here and then verify now. Go and sign up to your wallet, and once you sign up you will see your total points allocation. Now I have nothing. Basically this is peanuts. A lot of people, as we see here from the comments below, they have millions of points, 100,000 millions, if not going to the billions as well, because some people have like 30, 40, 500 million. So let me know your point allocation below. And 1 point is not gonna be $1, it's not gonna be 10 cents, or it's not gonna be 1 cent. Probably we are probably looking at this at probably 0.1 of a cent in terms of point, if I have to be realistic, because there's so many points. But let me know your allocation down below. As well as, very important, I have a new promotion with BingX for all of you. And what it is, well, through the link down below, once you go and sign up, you will receive $50 for free. So make sure to go and sign up, utilize the bonus, go and trade. Now it's a great time, in my opinion, to go and long, which we're gonna go and see in just a bit. I just don't want to bother you with the trading and all of that, but there is a $50 promotion. So first come first serve, it is limited. Make sure to go and grab it, link down below. Come here, create an account, use the code which is already there, crypto with Lorenzo, and get yourself up to $6,000 in trading bonus, in cutoff fees, but also get your first $50 in your account once you go and make your first deposit, which can be $10, $20, $30. Make sure to go and grab it, deposit, take the money out. Your bonus is there. Make sure to go and trade and get going, because this is a very great opportunity. Next up, we have a few airdrops to go and check, which we do see right here, especially for what it is to come in the next day. So let's go and showcase you over. There are the proof portal right here, which you only got 2 more days to go and do it. Either put in your Ethereum wallet, so your MetaMask, your EBM wallet, go and connect your Twitter, your Discord, or your GitHub. Personally, I did not participate in this. We've seen it in the past already, but I was not eligible for it. And if you are ineligible, simply click here, go try again. You can also get in touch with the foundation. You can also get in touch with them. So make sure to go and check them out. Next, we have the Hyperlo airdrop. And yes, here I am eligible for 2 airdrops. And if you did follow the guide that I did, if you ever participate in Eclipse, you went to take the money in and out of the clips, you are eligible for it. Absolutely, yes. So as we are able to go and see here, let me just go and put the password real fast for it. We have the possibility to go and connect our wallet. Now, I have already registered, and you need to register before it is too late. As we see here, I'm eligible for this, and it is registered already. As well as, guys, there is the possibility for the Phantom wallet. So make sure to check your MetaMask as well as your Phantom wallet right here. And as you see, I am registered and I'm eligible also for the Solana wallet. So 2 airdrops in one, which is absolutely great. Next time we have the DAPS airdrop, which is right here. You can connect your MetaMask wallet, your Phantom wallet, whichever one you want. Make sure to go and check with both, because hey, who knows, maybe you could be eligible for it or you could not be eligible for it. It is pretty much a wild guess, I would say, and it is a network, so if you never participate in it, probably you're not gonna be eligible for it. But you can go and check all of the different, wallet. Again, doesn't cost you anything if it is if it's there or if it's not there. So make sure to go and check it. The link will be down below. And then if you're not eligible, very, very simple, you can simply go to your wallet, go to the connected, and just take it out if you see that you're not eligible. Next up, we have the Unite airdrop over here. You can welcome to the Unite airdrop. The Unite token is designed to power the Unite ecosystem. All this airdrop, accept, proceed, go and connect your wallet. Again, we can try Capital Wallet at the same time. Could be something interesting, could be there for you to go and be able to see if you are eligible. Why not? Just connect it, click on approve, check all the requests, click on approve. Are you eligible for it? Go on proceed. If you are good, if not, verify, approve, and I'm not eligible. So in that case, well, simply go back, go and insert all of your wallet, disconnect this one, go and put the MetaMask wallet, go and check if you're eligible for it. I don't think I'm eligible for it because I have not participate in it, nor I don't even know what it is honestly. But if it is a swapping things that you don't know, a breaching, you could all of a sudden be eligible for it. So make sure to go and check. We then have the black hole airdrop as well. Over here, you can go to the portfolio. If you have any position, then you are eligible. We got the voice airdrop right here on the right. You do need to connect your wallet if you want to go and check your airdrop eligibility, which I am not eligible because I didn't participate in it. We have the ICA network as well over here. Connect all of your wallets. Phantom, this is a Solana. As you see here, I'm not eligible for it. You can go and check as well with your backpack or any other, but this one I did not participate in, nor I don't even know what it is, but still, go and test it out. We also have the Gaia Foundation airdrop. So we got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 airdrops to go and check. For this one, we already seen in the past, I'm not eligible. The one that I'm most looking forward, only because it's also the one that I'm eligible for to wallet, is the Hyperlo airdrop, because they did cook with the season 1. Season 2, people forgot about it, didn't participate in it. So I do think it's gonna be very, very big. Then we also have the SAT layer tokenomics, which is going to be a total of 2.1 billion token, an initial supply of 21%, a community token airdrop of 10%, which kind of goes in line with what the linear airdrop is as well, which it is 9%. There is no announcement yet of the team allocation, which seems to be 0, but it is what it is. So with that said, guys, make sure to go and check all of the different airdrops down below. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.